Welcome back to Fat Cloud TV, brought to you by Vaping. In this episode, I'll be reviewing 3 of the latest flavors from Loaded E-Liquid called Overloaded E-Juice, and let you know how you can score all 3 flavors. Like I said in the beginning of this video, Loaded E-Liquid released 3 brand new flavors with a new e-juice line called Overloaded E-Juice. If you watched some of our previous videos, you know that I'm a big fan of Loaded E-Liquid, so I was excited to get these in for a review. These 3 new flavors. There are 3 custard flavors actually, and me being a fan of dessert slash bakery flavors, I was excited, really excited actually. My favorite from them is glazed donut. It's a glazed donut flavor, but these 3 are a little bit different, as none of the flavors from Loaded E-Liquid are custard-y based. Like I said, all 3 of these flavors are custard, but have different main profiles to them. So there's only 3 flavors in the line. I'll be reviewing all 3. They're all in 3 milligram nicotine strength. And later on to this video, I'll let you know how you can score all 3 flavors. And with the grand prize winner actually getting a vape starter kit as well. So I'm going to hop right into the first flavor, which is Vanilla Custard. As you tell by the name, it's a Vanilla Custard. In the description, it does mention a little bit of a spiciness from the cinnamon, but I'll let you know if I taste that or not. I got it loaded in the Smock Baby Prince tank with the X-Priv Baby. This is actually the starter kit I was talking about, and I'll give a quick rundown after I review the flavors of this kit. So anyway, I have the 0.4 ohm coil in here. I'm going to raise up the watts a little bit to 59 watts. I'll let you know what I think. So the first thing I notice is the vanilla custard. It's a very, very good vanilla. I don't really get any like spicy cinnamon note. Maybe like towards like slightly at the end of the exhale, maybe, but it's definitely not present throughout the entire vape. The custard note is very good. It's a slightly eggy custard, so if you don't like eggy custard, you might not like it. But it's a very, very good, straightforward vanilla custard. You see plenty of vapor. I think these are 70 VG, 30 PG, or 80 VG, 20 PG, somewhere around there, I'm pretty sure. It's not too sweet, but it has sweetness to it, of course. But it's not like overwhelmingly sweet. Like some custards like come off that way. Like it's a very, very good custard base they're using as well. And the vanilla really does a good job rounding it out. And the vanilla is well pronounced throughout the entire vape. I mean, on the inhale and exhale, you basically get that vanilla custard. Yeah, it's just a really, really good, solid, like straightforward custard vape. You know, a lot of people like a simple custard, and this is what it is, really. Like I said, I don't really get any spicy from the cinnamon. I don't really even get that much cinnamon, if at all, to be honest. Maybe it's helping round out or mesh the 2 flavors together, the vanilla and the custard. But it's a good vanilla custard. I like it. I can vape this all day, basically. I'm not like my all-day vape is not necessarily like vanilla custards or custards in general. I'm more of like strawberry dessert flavors, but this is actually really good. Yep, straight to the point vanilla custard, with a slight egginess to it, and the egginess really comes in towards the end. You don't really get like an overwhelming eggy note that some custards can do. This one is very well balanced and it's just really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get a different setup and move on to the next flavor. Alright, so the next flavor in the lineup is Banana Custard. But actually on the E-Juice Plug website, it says that it's a banana pudding. And the primary flavor is banana pudding, or also banana pudding custard, something like that. But I'm going to let you know what I taste. So right now I have the Digi-flavored Drop Solo RDA on top of the Lost Vape Drone. I have a rather thick fuse Clapton in here, a quad-core fuse Clapton, ohming out to a 0.23 single coil, and I have it at 65 watts. This is a really, really good banana vape, and probably like the closest thing like a banana pudding I've had in an e-juice before. So on the inhale, you got like a banana with a slight pudding, and then on the exhales where it really, really comes together and brings forward like a banana pudding with like wafers inside. That's exactly what it tastes like. I mean, that's the best way I can put it. Like the wafer, you definitely get the wafer note in there. You get the pudding, like the creaminess from the pudding, and you get that banana kind of sitting on top, really. So it is nice and smooth. For Vanilla Custard too, forgot to mention that the throat hit was very smooth. I did all 3 milligrams, like I said before. But yeah, anyway, back to the Banana Custard. It's probably one of the best banana vapes I've had personally. It's just really well rounded, not too sweet, but sweet enough for me personally. And it's just like it just comes together really well. It's hard to explain until you vape it. Yeah, you get the banana forefront, then you get the creaminess, and then you get the wafer. But you can taste all 3 flavor notes on the exhale, especially. On the inhale, you're just basically getting like a creamy banana. But on the exhale, man, it's where you get like a banana pudding with like those circle vanilla wafers. That's exactly, I forgot what they're called, but that's exactly what it tastes like to me. And personally, I do like banana flavors. Not really candy banana flavors, but like dessert banana flavors. So this one is definitely up my alley, and easily something I could vape all day. This is probably my favorite of the line with overloaded e-juice. It's just really, really good. I think the cotton is almost dry. Yeah. But if you like banana flavors, like banana dessert flavors, like the banana in this is not candy. It tastes very natural. And then it's just really, really creamy. And then there's like a wafer in there. It's just, I mean, I think in the, no, you can't really tell. I mean, yeah, but honestly, I just think this is probably one of the best banana vapes, hands down, that I've ever tried. And I've tried quite a few banana flavors before. And yeah, if you like banana vapes, you'll probably really, really enjoy this one. And anyway, so I'm going to change the cotton in this RDA and move on to the next flavor. Oh, so when I was looking at the Banana Custard, what I was looking for was the image of exactly what the juice was kind of tasting like. And if you go on the e-Juice Plug website, you'll see, hey, check out the Banana Custard, you'll see exactly like an image. The image is not on the bottle, but you'll see an image on the website of what they were going for. And it tastes basically just like that. So, yeah, so I was just kind of surprised too at how much like I enjoy that flavor, how much I like it as well. So anyway, the last flavor of the overloaded e-juice line is Blueberry Custard. It's a pretty straightforward flavor. It's a blueberry custard type flavor. So I have it back on the Drop Solo RDA, same build, a little bit less wattage, 62.5. 65 was just a little bit too hot for me. So anyway, let's take a bit. So this is a bit more of an interesting custard, and the reason why I say that is because the blueberry is kind of candy-ish. Typically, like a blueberry custard has like a more of a natural tasting blueberry. This one's definitely more on the candy side, in my opinion. So it makes it very different in comparison to other blueberry custard flavors I've tried before. But that's not saying the blueberry is bad. The blueberry is good. So the primary note is the blueberry, especially on the inhale. On the exhale, you get that blueberry as well, but you have like that custard underneath, that creaminess of the custard. Definitely not eggy at all. This one is more of like a creamy custardy type flavor without the egginess, no spiciness or nothing like that. Yeah, the more you vape it on the exhale, the more the blueberry and custard kind of blends together, from what I noticed. And it just tastes like a creamy blueberry custard, but with a candy note in it. Which, I mean, some people may not like, some people may like. Me personally, I actually really enjoy this juice. It tastes really good. Throw it is nice and smooth at 3 milligram as expected. I mean, going by other loaded e-liquid flavors, all the throw hits are really good. The nicotine it uses is always really good. But this flavor, like I said, is different. It's not my most favorite. It's probably tied with the vanilla custard, with the banana custard being my favorite for sure. But this one, it's just a little bit different, and that's what I like about it. It's not like kind of the same as like every other juice. It's kind of like the vanilla custard in this line. It's a relatively simple, straightforward vanilla custard flavor. This one and the banana custard are definitely two very different flavors and unique in its own way. Now you see plenty of vapor. Like I said, the more I vape it, the more like the exhale just comes together, and the blueberry kind of calms down, and you get more of that creamy custard note more up front than before. But anyway, so that's my review of these three flavors. I'm going to let this room clear out just a little bit and move on to a quick rundown of the X-Priv baby kit. On to a quick rundown of the smoke, however you want to say, X-Priv baby kit. This is the box that it comes with, comes in, sorry. Pretty similar to other smoke boxes or packaging. If you're familiar with the larger X-Priv kit, it's basically the same, except this is a mini version. So this is the silver and black color. In the beginning, I actually said this, the baby Prince tank is actually the big baby Prince tank. Whatever, man. It's all like, they're all similar. This one uses the VA baby coils and actually comes with two Q2 0.4 ohm coils. And those are actually my favorite Baby Beats coils when I used to actually vape on the Baby Beats. So I actually like it. But it has a really, really large display screen, 2 inches to be exact. And this is an internal battery mod, so it has a 2300, I think. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 2300 mAh battery, has temperature control for all of your wires, like stainless steel, Ni200, titanium. It has like the soft, hard, normal mode for, you know, kind of like if you want a quicker ramp up. These coils I think are rated like best between 40 and 60 watts or so, which is what I typically vape it at. I have it at 60 watts. I'm going to turn it up at 60 watts right now. With the battery life, it'll vary, of course, depending on how much you vape it, and the wattage you're vaping it at. But this is like a great little mini mod to kind of grab on the go, or if you like very compact mods. It's really nice. I do like the honeycomb design on the back. I'm not sure if you can see it 100%. And it has the drip tip to really match the back of it. But it vapes really well. I have no real issues with it. And I like it. It's like something I could quickly grab if I need to go like run to the store real quick or whatever. And it vapes good. Like I personally, like I said, I like the baby coils. I know the only thing I do wish it came with was like a new mesh coil. Perhaps in the future they'll release some new mesh coils, or one of those not exotic, but you know, other types of coils that have been popular in the market right now that give better flavor and have a bit more longevity to it. But yeah, 60 watts with the vanilla custard in here, it vapes great. Now I'm going to move quickly into the giveaway itself. Now that I showed you the X-Priv Baby, the grand prize winner or first place winner will get this kit. I'm not sure exactly this color, but you'll get the X-Priv Baby kit plus the 3 flavors that I just reviewed. The next 4 winners will each get all 3 flavors in whatever nicotine strength. So there'll be a total of 5 winners Just like all previous giveaways, I'll leave a link in the description down below of where you can enter, or you can simply head over to the Vaping Cheap website, click on the giveaways tab, and you'll see the giveaway there. This giveaway is sponsored by EG Plug. They'll be handling all the shipping. Thank you so much, EG Plug, for making this possible. Just like all of our giveaways, there are a ton of different entry methods available. There are some that are daily, so if you want to come back and enter and increase your chances of winning, please come back and do so. And you can enter or whatever. There's a bunch of different ones, like I said. So yeah, some are worth more, some are worth less. They're going to be bonus points, etc. So feel free to enter whichever ones you want, and also leave us a comment down below and let us know which flavor you'd like to try the most, or maybe you fits into your flavor profile of what you enjoy. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and it helps you with your decision buying e-juice in the future. Like I said, I really enjoy loaded e-liquid. I think my favorite now is still probably glazed donut. That's like one of my all-day vapes. But this banana custard, man, is delicious. Probably one of the best banana vapes, like I said before, that I've ever tried. It's just that good. So thanks again for watching Fat Cloud TV, brought to you by Vaping Cheap. And I'll see you next one. Make sure to keep it cloudy.
Get